Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Oh, here's a nice flour tortilla. Today, it is a beef. There's ground beef. Here's some homemade refried beans. So beef and bean burrito. It's killer. It's got some shredded cheese. It's got some cabbage. And it's got some salsa. Mike Foster here. Another killer recipe. This is one I love to make. I made these refried beans. Check out the recipe below in the cards and in the links below. And this is really simple to make. Let's pop this baby together. I'm getting hungry. This is really easy to make. You take the beans and you spread them down here. Just like that. Now you take the beef. You put that down here. Oh yeah, this is going to be a monster. Just the way I like it. Put as much as you want on there. And you take that cheese, put that baby right there. Now you go into the microwave, pop this in. There we go, that was actually about 30 seconds. What I like to do next, put a little salsa on this. I have a homemade salsa recipe for you. In the cards and links. I'm not kidding. Finish this bad boy off with some crunch. Nice fresh shredded cabbage. Now, let's take it, pull it in from the sides, and roll it up like that. There it is. Let's slice it. Here's the old sliceroo. And there's the reveal. Close up coming up. Oh yeah, that's that killer beef and bean burrito. Can't wait for a killer bite. Oh yeah. Big bite. Ready for it? I'm ready for it. Crunch when the cabbage hits you. Those beans are great. The salsa tangy. And the meat is perfect. Tortilla keeps it all together. Too bad I didn't like it, huh? That was Killer Diller. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. If you like the sweet baboo. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Like this. Oh, I think I might go greedy. It's big. Where's his face? That was really good.